our 10 burner 60-inch oven range combo. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches. We have a depth 32.5 inches. 32.5 inches includes the backsplash. Minus the splash, we have 30.5 inches. Overall height, we have 60.5 inches tall. 60.5 inches tall includes the backsplash, and minus the splash, we have 36 inches tall. Okay. Caster wheels beneath the oven range, and on top are 10 burners. Each burner plate can be removed, and the dimensions for each will include 11 3/4 inches in length by 11 3/4 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 10 burners that can be removed and inserted back onto each compartment. Coming to the top will be the carriage for the splash, and the measurement for the carriage will be 60 inches in length by 9 3/4 inches in depth. Now, coming to the left and right side are two removable waste trays. The measurement for the right waste tray will include 19.5 inches in length by 26.5 inches in depth. 26.5 inches in depth, counting the top and bottom before the handle. And the waste tray can be inserted back onto the right compartment. Coming to the left side, the measurements for this waste tray will include 31.5 inches in length, also by 26.5 inches in depth. And again, 26.5 inches depth is from the top towards the bottom of the waste tray before the handle. Waste tray can be removed and inserted back onto the left compartment. Coming to the top will be 12 temperature dials, each controlling each burner, as well as the right and left oven range. Included for the left and right oven range will be 2 shelves, 4 total, and each shelf will measure 26 inches in length by 24.5 inches in depth. Measurements for each shelf applies for the left and right side, and the height or interior for each range will include 14 inches tall. 14 inches tall for the left and right range. Coming to the back of the oven range on the right side will be the black pipe to hook up the gas for this oven range. And located on the bottom is the ETL NSF certification and specs for this unit. Gas regulator along with propane orifice kit will be provided with this oven range. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.